Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit your personal information in the AusPost application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Now you should wait a little bit until the app loads in. After that is done and you are in the home page, you should look down below and select the third option, which is account. After doing so, you should select the first option in this page. You can see there your name as well. Just press on it. And in this page, you can see all the information about your account. And if you want to update or change anything, all you have to do is just press update your details. And you should wait a little bit. And normally, in order to access the following page, you have to log in with your email or Gmail address, depending what you have, and your password. So you have to log in first, and then you will be able to access this page. And you can change here, in this case, the personal information, which is the second in this list. You can see the profile. Press on it. And if you want to update anything, for example, the given name, the surname, the date of birth, or the preferred name, or all the other stuff here like the email, the mobile number, the landline, or the residential address, you can just press manage or update and you can change those informations like that. So yeah, pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.